Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a locked account on Aliexpress. First, open the Aliexpress app or website and try to sign into your account. If your account is locked, check your email for a message from Aliexpress. Open Gmail or the email account connected to your Aliexpress account. Check your inbox and also look in your spam or junk folder. If you find a message from Aliexpress, read the instructions carefully. They may provide information about why your account was restricted or steps you need to follow to verify your account. Follow the instructions provided in the official email and try signing in again. If you still can't access your account or you didn't receive any useful email, contact Aliexpress customer support. Explain that your account is locked and provide the information they request to verify that you own the account. Avoid sharing your password or verification codes with anyone claiming to be support. Once Aliexpress reviews your account, follow their instructions to restore access. And that's it. That's how you can try to fix a locked Aliexpress account. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.